Hello everyone! So if you want to set up a new Motorola H50 Pro from scratch, so first of all, turn it on by holding the power button. When it's turned on, now we gotta choose our language. So let's choose English and press start. We have an option to set up using another device, however for now I will press skip. Now we are to connect to our Wi-Fi. So simply choose the Wi-Fi, enter your password and connect to it. However, I'll choose to set up offline. Alright, press continue. Now we gotta read through privacy policy. So go through it. If you accept it, simply press accept and continue. Now you are to accept your Google services, press accept. Now we need to set a PIN. You can skip this step or you can set some. I will skip this step for now. Press skip. Press allow notifications. Press not now. Press not now. Now we gotta choose our navigation style. So we are gonna choose between our buttons or gestures. I'll choose gestures. Press next. Now we're gonna choose the theme. A light theme, dark theme, or transition. This automatically changes themes based on the time of the day. I will leave it on the light theme. Alright, now simply press finish. Press go to my home screen and that's it. You've got your new Motorola setup. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.